We are in the Sankalpa series for ABM, and here we are covering important theory and objective questions for the ABM. Now here we are covering all the topics. Okay. Today we will be covering chapter number 1, important theory. Okay. And today we are focusing on objective questions. So chapter 1 is definition of statistics, important. It's a big name. Okay. So this is just the beginning of that name. The name itself is of two lines. Okay. So let's start without wasting the time. The type of cumulative frequency, which is where the frequencies are added starting from the highest class to the lowest class, are called as. See here, from highest class to lowest class. Firstly, understand cumulative frequencies means what? Cumulative means addition of frequencies. Now, importantly, cumulative. Suppose if I am having like this, suppose cumulative frequency is from 5, the next one I am having 10. So my cumulative becomes 15. Then I am having, let's say, 12. So my cumulative becomes 12 plus 15, 27. Okay, it goes on adding. This is known as CF. Okay, cumulative frequency, where the frequencies are added starting from the highest class to the lowest class. See, this highest class means what? This class has nothing to do with this frequency. Class will be over here, 5 to 10, 5 to 10, then 5 to 10, 10 to 15. Okay, so this, whenever you write it like this, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, and so on. So this class is known as the highest class, whichever is having the maximum interval, means this numbers. Okay. So here it will be 10 to 15 is the highest class. So what is the question now? The question is the type of cumulative frequency where it is from highest to lowest. So if it is from highest to lowest, it will be called as what? Relative frequency, percentage frequency, less than cumulative frequency, or greater than. So the answer over here is whenever you are going from highest to lowest, I'll write it over here. If you are going from highest to lowest, okay, it means what? 45 to 50 is my first class which I am taking. The next class is 40 to 45. The next class is 35 to 40. See this, I am going down, okay, from highest to lowest. So when such is the case, it is known as greater than, GT. This D is the answer. Greater than cumulative frequency. And if I am going from lowest to highest, okay, that is known as less than, LT. Now this you will automatically understand. I'll go from 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, like that. Okay. The following table gives less than type frequency distribution of income per day. Which income is the mode? Which is the mode over here? See here, let it be less than or greater than. Nothing is important over here. Why? Because how did you say that it's less than? Because look at this. What is it starting? 1500, 1250, this. It is nothing related to your. So importantly, what did I say? Let it be less than or greater than. What is important is mode. Okay. So what is the mode over here? Mode means what? This is known as the frequency. So which has the highest frequency, that is known as mode. So who has the highest frequency over here? 100, 80, 70, which is the highest number over here? 100. So if this is the highest number, so this class will be 1500. Now see here, there are two types of classes. I can write that class in 40 to 50 like this also. Or I can write the central number. Okay, that is called as class mark. I can write it as 47.5 also. So this is written as a class mark system. It is not written in this 40 to 50, 50 to 60 level. Okay. So this is known as what? Mode. Mode is what? Any class with the highest frequency is known as a mode. Okay. So the answer is this 1500 class. Okay. Before going ahead, everyone subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting the latest updates on JIB and CIB. Number 1. Number 2, you will be getting the free YouTube series on all the subjects of JIB and CIB. So that's why subscribe to it right now. Click on the bell icon. Share with your friends. Press the like button. Okay. The data of 50 workers salary is given as 2300, 2400, blah 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 blah. You can read this. Okay. If the desired number of class intervals is 10, find the class width. These are all the important numericals which come in your exam. Okay. So these are the salaries given. Salaries only, na? Yeah. So if the desired number of class intervals is 10, so desired number of class intervals is 10 over here. So if this is 10, what is the answer? How do you get a class width? What is class width basically? So class width is, look at this, class width. That is equal to range divided by number of class intervals required, number. So number here equals to 10. But what is the range? Range means what? Range means, always remember, range, the formula for range is range equals to highest minus lowest. Okay. So which is the highest over here? 2300, 2400, blah 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 blah. This 3000. Right. So I'll write it 3000 over here. Which is the lowest? 23, 24, this 2000. Right. So 2000 I'll write it over here. So what is the range now? 3000 minus 2000, that is 1000. So that is my range. So what is my class width now? CW equals to 1000 upon what? 10. Yeah. So the answer is 100. So this is my answer. Class width is 100. What is class width basically? See here, you have got the answer, but what is class width? Whenever I write 45 to 50, okay, it means class width means the difference between these two. 50 minus 45, 5. 5 is my class width. And this is common everywhere. Suppose if I write 45 to 50, then I'll write what? 50 to 55, isn't it? Then I'll write what? 55 to 60. So everywhere it's 5 only. So class width means that. So the answer over here is 100. Got it? The class interval where the upper and the lower limits are also in the class interval are called as, so where the upper and the lower limit, say this, upper and the lower limit are also in the class width, class interval are called as exclusive type, inclusive type, discrete and continuous type. What do you mean by this? See here, it's like this. It's 5 to 9. I'll write this 9. Okay. Then I'll write it 10 to 14, 15 to 19. And what will I say? Both are included over here. So 9 minus 5 is 4 plus 1. See here, already 9 is included, but 5 should also be included. So difference is 5 over here. 14 minus 10 is 4 plus 1. This 10 is to be added again. So it becomes 5. 19 minus 15 is 4 plus 1. This 15. So 5. So class width doesn't change. So this, whenever you include both the upper and the lower limit over here, these two limits, this is called as inclusive type. If this is inclusive type, then what is the other one? The other one is called as exclusive type. This exclusive means what? See here, in exclusive type, how to convert this to exclusive? See here, this is out of the question, but I'll give you that logic behind this. Take 0.5 on this side, so it becomes what? 4.5. To take 0.5 on this side, so it becomes what? 9.5. Again over here, take 0.5 on this side, so it becomes 9.5, and so on. Now you'll get this as 14.5. Similarly, others, 14.5 to 19. So what? 19.5. So important part is, see, this becomes common now. So in exclusive type, the first, the last number and the first number of the consecutive classes is always the same. Whereas in inclusive type, they are different. Look at this, 9 and 10. So where the upper and the lower limits are included in the class interval, it's called as inclusive type. And where they are excluded, they are removed over here. Both. Okay. So that is called as exclusive. Everyone download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you'll be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, whatever you need, you'll be getting it over here. So that's why download it right now. What do you need for clearing your CAIIB? One, you need someone to teach you. So we have live classes. You need books to read. We have ebooks. You need tests, right, to check your confidence. So we have tests over here. So that's why download it right now. Okay. The following table gives the distribution of 100 families according to the expenditures. Find a model class. What is the model class? Model means what again? Mode. What is the name? Mode I am asking many times. 2 questions I have asked on mode because the mode question comes in exam. Because it's simple but difficult to understand. Once you understand it, it's simple. Mode means simple, in simple word, whichever is having maximum number of times. Whichever comes max number of times is the mode. Okay. Whoever comes max number of times is the mode. Max. Okay. Max. So that is the mode. So here who is coming maximum number of times? 27. Who is the model class? 20 and 30. This is my model class. So simple. Isn't it? So model class means which comes maximum number of times. Okay. The score, the runs scored by a batsman in 5 ODI are 31, 97, 112, 63 and 12. The mean, median and mode of these numbers are quite a difficult one. Means cumbersome, time consuming. Okay. So how to solve this? See this. First we'll solve this mean. Okay. Mean. How to solve this for mean? How to solve this for mean? See this. In mean, what do we do? Mean equals to addition of all the numbers. 31 plus 97 plus what? 112? 112 plus 63 plus 12. The whole upon 5. So that is mean basically. So mean is simple. Do it on the calci, everyone. Try it yourself. Do it on the calci. What is the answer you are getting? Yeah. Let me also try it. Okay. Let's do it. So what are we doing? 31 plus 31 plus 97 plus 112 plus what is this? 60, 63 plus 12 equals to 315. So I am getting this as 315 divided by 5. Okay, so it comes to what? 63. So my mean is 63. Right? So mean becomes 63. What is my median? For median, what you have to do is always remember there is a rule for median. First, you have to arrange the numbers in the sequential order. It can be ascending or descending, but sequence. So let's arrange them. First is 12. Now we'll go in ascending. 12, then 31, 31. After that 63, 63, right? After that 97, and last one is 112. So these are the 5 numbers: 12, 31, 63, 97 and 112. Now the central number will always be the median. Which is the central number? 63. So this is the median. Okay. So if you are having 4 numbers only, then you will have the 2 central numbers. So take the average of them. That will be the median. What is the mode? Mode means just now we saw it many times. Maximum number of times. Who's coming maximum number of times? 12, 31, 63, 97, 112. All are coming one time only. So everyone is a mode. All are modes. Okay. So all are modes over here. Got it? Now let me come to the batches. See this Sankalpa batch starting from September 4th. Join ASAP. All the 4 subjects are covered. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. In fact, this batch is the last batch, I think so, for the detailed batch, this series, November series. So last batch for detailed series. So join this ASAP. And presently you are getting discounts. Huge discounts are going on. CAIIB Mahapack. What do you get in Mahapack? You get live courses. Means multiple courses. Live courses for the same subject multiple times. Video courses, ebooks, test series, mini and Maha marathons. Then you get practice papers, doubt sessions, what all, everything you get it. And at what fees? Very less fees. Huge discounts are on. Let me show you the discounts. Okay, let's go to Adda 24/7. Okay, I would always suggest you to go through the app. In the app, you're getting 1% extra using the coin systems. So that's why go to Adda 24/7. See this. Okay, over here. Now click on JIB and CIB. Click. You'll see CIB November 23. Click on CIB November 23. Click. You'll see Sankalpa batch. Look at this. Click on this Sankalpa batch. Starting from September 4th. Okay, it's fresh batch coming up. So look at this, 300 plus hours of online classes, 56 test series, 65 ebooks, recorded sessions. What all do you need? Click on buy now. See, 80% off is going on. 23,999 reduces to 4,799. Huge discount offer going on. Join this SAP. Just click on continue, fill in your details, make the payment and done. Similarly, you can join Mahapacks. In Mahapacks, here, go again to Adda 24/7. See this JIB CIB Mahapack. In Mahapacks, you are getting, see this double validity JIB CIB. Then you can click on CIB Mahapack because you have already covered JIB. So CIB Mahapack. Look at this again, 500 hours of online live classes, then test series, 121 test series, 216 ebooks, 962 videos. So many things are there. Recorded videos are available. Now click on buy now. And 80% off plus double validity. Look at this, double validity is going on. So 36,837 is the real fees. It reduces to 7,367. 80% off, and that also for 12 months double validity scheme. Join this SAP. Okay, such offers don't come every now and then. So I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, keep studying. Bye.